Machubibo, okay lang ba mo inom og energy drink while nag-workout? Ang tubag na ko na guys. No, 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 no. Do not drink. Okay? Do not drink anang mga kuan, mga energy drink. Okay? Delikado ka na guys. Makadaot na sa inyong yung kidney. Alright? And dagang ka na ang sugar. Dagang sugar na ang mga energy drink. So, don't do that. Okay? Do not drink energy drinks, any kind of energy drink nga during workout, mo inom ka. Alright? So, avoid energy drink. Instead, drink water. Okay? Drink water lang yun. Tubig lang. Okay? Or kung namin mga gusto mong kuan ka winner, ma-energize yun, no? Okay? Warm up. Mag-warm up lang ka din water. Okay? That's it. That's it. Okay? Do not drink energy drink. Okay? Makakadaot na. I've seen that sa mga gym. Makakita ko mga bottle na nagpasa lang sa gym. Okay? Mga botilya sa mga energy drink. Okay? Don't do that. Okay? Avoid that. Okay? Avoid that. Don't make it, or don't make that as a habit na inom mo og mga energy drink. Okay? That's not good in your health. Alright? Just plain water will do. For more, just follow lang guys. Thank you.